My point to her was simple, and it's the same point I make to you. Avoid the crowd. Go where nobody is. If you go where nobody is in your marketing, you're all alone. The only logical choice then is you. The only person they can reach out to is you, because you're the only one that put that extra ounce of effort in at the beginning to develop that list, to find those names, and to actually mail and market to those people. So think about that. You could try to compete where everyone else is, and I show you how to do that. But it's easier to put that extra effort in now, put that extra effort in at the beginning, and then you're the only one they could possibly contact because you're the only one that bothered to reach out to them and reach out to them multiple times. Then when you send your letters and your postcards, you're the only person marketing to those people because it's more secluded. So you don't need to be as bold and as brash. Your stuff doesn't need to stand out as much from being different because it already stands out because you're the only one there. So when you can get into somewhere remote by putting in some extra effort, then you stand out from the crowd naturally because there simply is no crowd.